In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can fully reset your Delonghi Magnifica STart. So it will go back to factory settings. So if you've been messing around with all the quantities, then it will go back to how it left the factory. So what we have to do is we have to turn it off, but do not unplug it. It needs to be in standby mode, so it needs to still be plugged into the mains. So you can see it's on right now. I'm just going to turn it off. I'm going to let it shut down. There we go. Now we're still plugged in. We need to hit and hold down 3 buttons. That's the steam button, espresso, and this ×2 button here. We have to do it for 5 seconds, then it will beep at us and also it will flash. Once it's done that, it's been reset. So here we go. I'm going to hit all 3 of them now. I'm holding them all down for 5 seconds. It's beeped, and did you see it flash there? And that is it. The machine has now been reset. When you turn it back on, it will be back to factory settings. Might be useful if you're having problems with it and you just want to get it back to how it was. Thanks for watching.